Hello friends, welcome to Smart Solution. In this video we'll study about what is a construction team and how construction team functions. So this topic is quite important in civil works. So we should have to know about the construction team and how many types of members it includes. So how a construction team functions. So this is a very basic knowledge regarding civil works, and most people don't know about this construction team and how the construction team functions. They just know about the civil project separately and not about the overall idea and the mechanism of the civil project. So this would be quite important video. Please watch it till the end, subscribe to our channel, and also press the bell notification icon so that you may not miss my upcoming videos. So what is a construction team? Any construction team will consist of the following individuals for any civil project. A construction team is basically a specific type of members which help to achieve a certain type of construction work, or which want to do a specific type of construction work, or which carry out a construction project, a civil work project. So for that we need a construction team. And what members are included in this construction team? What parties are included? What individuals are included? So these are the 6 individuals that are included in our construction team. So they collaborate and they make a construction project. They execute a construction project and make a construction project do till the completion. So these are the 6 individuals. Like the first should be the project owner, which is also known in the civil work as client. So client is the project owner. So the person who wants to build something, like in simple layman ways we can see that a person who wants to do a civil project or he wants to build something would be known as a client, who is the project owner who provides the fund for the project. The second person is project advisor. The project advisor basic role is to give better advices to the project owner. And what are these types of advices are about? These are about how to reduce the cost of the project, how to maintain the better quality work. Like these are the 2 items to be considered, and for that the project advisor gives better advices to the project owner, to the client. And this project advisor is known as consultant. So consultant could be an individual and it could be a company. It could be a single individual which is professional, which is expert, and which could give a client specific type of advices to reduce the total cost of the project, and also advices about the design work, about the maintaining or achieving the better quality work. And the project owner could also be an individual, and it could be a company, an organization. The third individual is project executioner, the person who actually does the construction work. And it could be a contractor, it could be that it could be a government department. Like some department prefer to do their own work, and some want to do work by the third party contractors. So the project executioner basically consists of contractors and subcontractors. So the contractor then further divides his work into subcontractors. So this is known as the project executioner. So these are the 3 main important individuals: project owner, which is known as client; project advisor, which gives the better advices to the client, and this is known as consultant, and it just gives the advices regarding reducing the total cost of the project and achieving better quality work. And the project executioner, which is contractor and subcontractors. And then the fourth are engineers. So engineer could be divided into 3 types or 4 types or 5 types depending upon the civil project scale. So it could be structural engineers who provides and give the knowledge about the structural items, or who design the structural items, and the architectural engineer who would give knowledge about the architectural items details, and the overseer, which are just the watchers, which like supervises the whole work of the construction of the contractor work. Like the type of engineers which supervise the construction work of contractor are known as overseer. So overseer or supervisor are just watching the work and maintaining the work according to the specifications. So these are the fourth party are like engineers, structural, architectural, and overseer. And the fifth is quantity surveyor. So now you will understand what is the quantity surveyor role in a construction team. The quantity surveyor is basically a person who does the estimation work. Like it provides, it's just calculates the total quantities of all the works that that has to be built, and all the cost that has to be spent on these types of quantities. Like he first calculates all the quantities of that civil project and then simply multiplies it with the current rates to acquire the total cost, to get the total cost, overall cost of the project. And this is known as preparation of estimate, detailed estimate. So the quantity surveyor basic role is to prepare estimate with the help of drawings, with the help of available drawings. So it consults with engineers which have the knowledge of who possess the knowledge of structural, architectural items details, and it can also work along with the contractor. So the quantity surveyor role is quite large in this field. And then there are AutoCAD operators, which are also known as draftmen. We just simply make the drawing of that civil project. Like the drawings are prepared by AutoCAD operator, AutoCAD workers, AutoCAD operator, draftsman, which are also known as draftmen. In the previous times it was known as draftman. So these just prepare the drawings for their civil projects, and then from these drawing they actually take the measurements of the drawings of the area with the help of surveyors, and then they prepare the drawing. And after the preparation of drawing, the estimate is being prepared, and then the contractor records his work in the measurement book, and then BOQs are developed to cross-check the contractor work, and also to give the payment to the contractor on the basis of his measurement book, and also consulting the estimates and bill of quantities. So for these we need these technical individuals, engineers, quantity surveyors, AutoCAD operators. And these are basically the management. The first and the second are included in the management. Like the first is included in the management, and the second is also, and this is also included in the management of the higher staff. Like the project owner is the project owner, and the project advisor is like the civil work advisor, and the project executioner is the contractor, which simply does the project, which simply does the construction work. And this is project owner is known as, we can also say that the management or the higher person, higher authorities from which the different types of approvals for funds, administrative approval, financial and technical approval are acquired from the project owner. And project owner does not work alone. It just require the project advisor to support him, to advise him, and also to consult with the project executioner, the contractor. So I hope you have understood this whole concept of construction team, and how how it functions, and what are their jobs as specific individuals. So this is how the construction team functions in civil projects. So if you have any question regarding this topic, you can ask me in the comment section. Please like and share this video and subscribe to our channel. I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.